Good morning, children. Now we are going to learn topic 3 factors and multiples. PPT 7. First question. What is the individual factor of 1000? So we know, children, individual factor, individual so individual means prime. Individual number means prime. So you remember this. Individual factor means prime factors. So that's why we have to follow this process to find prime factors. Taking prime numbers, we have to divide 2 5s, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 2s, 2 1 remainder, 2 5s, 2 zeros, 2 1s, 2 2s, 1 remainder, 2 5s, 2. So now it is not divisible by 2, so that's why 5 2s, 2 remainder, 5 5s. So these are the prime factors. So what? 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. So these are prime factors. Prime factors. So what is correct option? 1 not, 2 not, 3, 4. So fourth one is correct option. Children, without doing this process also we can identify some type. Here in this first option, this is the trial and method. In first option there are composite numbers. In second option there is one composite number. In third option these are this 10, these 2 10, 2 10, 10 times 100, 100 to the 200. We are getting 200 only. So that's why fourth option is correct. We can identify like this also, children. Next, second question. The prime factors of 30 are prime factors. We know the finding factors, but in this what are prime factors? We have to take prime factors on 30. We have to divide taking only primes to find prime factors. 30. 2 1s, 2 5s, 3 5s. So 2 3 5 are prime factors. First option is correct. Number of common factors in 18 and 24 is common factors. We have to find common factors. Factors of 18 are 1 2 3 6 9 18. Factors of 24 are 1 2. Do you know, children, to find factors of 24? This is the process to find factors. 1 24s are 2 12s are 3 8s are 4 6. So up to down, down to up. This is the process of finding factors. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. Common factors. We have to find number of common factors. Common factors. Common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. On these only 1, 2, 3, 6. So how many these? Total 4. 4. Option 4 is correct. What are the prime factors of 80? Prime factors of 80 are, so prime factors of 80 are prime factorization, 2 4s, 2 zeros, 2 2s, 2 zeros, 2 1s. What is the prime factorization? Actually this 2 5s, 5 1s. We no need of doing this. If you have interest, you can do like this. So 4 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So this is the prime factorization for 80. So option 1 is correct. How many factors of 18 are, how many factors of 18 are primes? Eighteen. Two nines. So 3 threes. So there are 2 primes. 18 has 2 primes. So we can find like this also. 1 18s, 2 9s, 3 6s. So in this 2 and 3 are primes. There are 2 primes. So factors of 18 are 1 2 3 6 9 18. So in this primes only 2. Option 1. Sixth, the total number of factors for the total number of factors for the number 36 is, total number of factors 36. 36 factors of 36 are, factors of 36, 1 36, 2 18s, 3 1s, 3 2s, 5s, 4 9s, 6 6s. So how many factors for the 36 is? So these are repeated. 1 2 3 4, 4 2s, 8. Okay, we can write once. 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 30 36. So how many total? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So total factors are 9. So we can calculate here also. 1 2 3 4 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1 9. Total 9 factors. Option 3. Seventh one, the number of factors of 36 is, the number of factors of 36 is, repeated this question, the number of factors of 36, the total number of factors of 36. So this question repeated. Question number 6 to 7. So repeated question, this children, same on 9 means option 4. Eighth one, the number of multiples of 7 in between 14 and 77 is. So multiples of multiples of 7 are between 14 and 77. So first 21, between, we have to write between, multiples of 7 between 14 and 77, between 21, 28, 35, 46, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, up to 70 only. So multiples of 7 are between 14 to 77. 14 to 77 are 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And so how many these? The number of multiples of 7 between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8. So option 3. Ninth question, among the numbers, the number which is not a factor of 316. We can attempt this question by trial and error method. You know children, trial and error method. Trial and error method. So how to find in trial and error method? First we take one divide with this 316. So 1 is a factor of every number. So 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is divide any number. So that's why 1 is a factor of every number. So 1 is a factor of 360. Next, so here we have to not a factor. That's why we have to check which is not divisible by 316. So next we have to try second option, 316. We can divide using short division like this. So 8. If you don't know like that, you may divide long division also, your wish. 8. 8 threes are 24. 1 minus 4 not possible. Borrow here 11. 11 minus 4 7 6. 8 nines are 72. 4 is remainder, children. So this is not exactly divisible by 8. So that's why this is a not, this 8 is not factor of 316, option 2. So in this short division, children, short division, you have to know short division. 8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 24. 7 balance. 8 nines are 72. 4 here 4 remainder. So this is the method of dividing. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Your wish, in which method also you can do, children. The factors of 30 are, the factors of 30 are, factors of 30. To find the factors, we follow this process. 1 30s, 2 15s, 3 10s, 4 5, 5 6. So up to down, down to up. 1 these are factors. 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 30. These are factors. 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 30. So fourth option is correct. 11th one, what is the solution of multiplying the prime factors to get 37,800? 37,800. To find the prime factors, prime factorization, we follow this process. 37,800. Two table. First two table. 2 1s, 2 8s, 2 9s, 0 0. 2 9s, 2 4s, 2 5s, 0. 2 4s, 2 7s, 2 7s, 2 2s, 2 5s. Now 5 table. 5 9s 45, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s, 5 8s, 5 9s. 3 table. 3 6s are, 3 3s are, 3 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 7s are. So the correct order is 2 into 2 into 2, next to 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3, next to 5 into 5 into 7. So this is the correct order. How many 2s? Total 3 2s, 3 3s, 2 5s, 7. So option 2 is correct, children. Next 12th question, the total of first 5 multiples of 12. Here we have a formula. The sum of first n multiples, first n multiples of m, the sum of first n multiples of m is equal to m into n into m into n plus 1. So this is the formula, m into n plus 1, m into by 2, n into n plus 1. So this is the formula, children. So using this formula we can find easily. So in this first two, in place of n there is 5, multiples of 12. So this here these we have to substitute in this formula. So 12 into 5 into 5 plus 1 by 2, 2 ones 2, 6, 6 into 5 into 6, 6 5s are 30, 3 6 are 18, 180, 6 5s are 30, 30, 3 6 are 18, 10, 180, option 4. Question number 13. What is sum of first 6 multiples of 16? So same formula. What is the formula? M into n plus 1 by 2. So in this m 16 n 6, 16 into 6 into 7 by 2, 2 ones 2 8s, 6 sevens are 42 into 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32, 33, 336, 336, option 1, 336. Question number 14. A number is less than 50, multiples of 7 and has exactly 3 factors. Which is that number? So we already done like this problem in PPT, I think PPT 6. So 50 less than 50, multiples of 7. So multiple of 7, 49, these are also multiple of 7, but here this condition is satisfied, must satisfy these conditions as exactly 3 factors. So 49 is satisfying these all conditions. So why? Because 49 is less than 50 and multiple of 7, 49 is multiple of 7 and as 49 has 3 factors, 1 49s are, 7 7s are. So this repeating. So 1 1 2 3. So 3 factors. So 3 factors. So option 3 is correct. The common factors of 12 and 15 are common factors. We have to write factors of 12 12 or 1, 2, 3, 6, 12. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. So we have to write common factors. Common factors. Common factors. 1, 3, so 1, 3 are common factors. 1, 3, option 4. 16. The number of prime factors of 1547 is the number of prime factors. To find the number of prime factors, we have to dividing this number taking prime numbers. 1547. First 2 is prime but not divisible by 2, so that's why I want check with the 2 not divisible. 3, 6, 10, 17, 1, 5, 4, 10, 17 not divisible. Next to 5 not divisible. 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 1 is 7. So divisible. 7 2 is 14. With 7 divisible, there is no divisibility rule for you for 5th class. So that's why you have to divide, and you think and divide like this. 7 2s are 7 2s are 7 1s are 7 2s are 14, 1 remainder. 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are. So next this is not divisible by 7, 7 is 21 not divisible. 7 after 11 not divisible. 11 after 13. Children, you at least check up to 20 at least if there is given like this numbers like these questions. So 13 13 7 plus 2 91. So it is exactly divisible by 13. 13 1 the 13, 9 remainder. 13 7 plus 2 9 remainder. 13 7s are. So prime factors of is 15, 1547, 7 into 13 into 17. So these are the prime factors. 1, 2, 3. So 3, it has 3 prime factors. So what are the prime factors? 7, 13, next to 17 also. With 17 we automatically got 17. The common multiples of 6 and 8 from 1 to 100 are common multiples 6 and 8. So common multiple of 6 and 8 from 1 to 100. We have to write multiples of 6, multiples of 6. Six and 8. Six. There is a formula, there is a method. The first common multiple 6, 8, 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 3 are 6, 6 4s are 24. So first common multiple is 24. So 24. So taking this, we can write 24, 48, 72, 96. So first we have to find the least common multiple, that means LCM. LCM of this 24. So next, to find next, we have to multiply 2. To find next, we have to multiply this with 3. To find next, we have to multiply with 4. 24 1s are 24, 2s are 24, 3s are 72, 24, 4s are 96. So this is the method of finding for large numbers. So option 4 is the correct option. The sum of the first 7 multiples of 14 is, first 7 multiples of 14, we have the formula that m into n plus 1. This is the formula for finding first n multiples of m by 2. So here m is equal to 14, n is equal to first 7. So 7, we have to substitute this in this formula. 14 into, simply we can write 7 into 7 plus 1, 8 by 2. Or 2 1s are 2 7s are. 7 7s are 49, 8s are. 8 9s are 72, 8 4s are 32, 39, 392. So 392, option 2. The sum of first 5 multiples of 7. So same formula, that is m into n plus 1 by 2. In this place, m is 7, n is first 5. 7 into 5 into 6 by 2. 2 1s, 2 3s, 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 105. So option 3. Question number 20. Write the sum of the first 11 multiples of 13. So same formula, m into n plus 1. In this formula, m is 13, first 11, 13 into 11 plus 1, 12 by 2. 2 1s, 2 6, 11 6 is 66 into 13. 13 6 are 78. 13 6 are 78, 85, 858, 858. 858, first option. So children, 20 questions completed. If you have any doubt in this, you send a message or write in comment box. Children, you practice if there is any doubt again and again until you perfect. Bye children, take care. We will meet next video.